Hey everyone! So, you know how important it is to keep track of your heart rate, right? Well, did you know that you can easily do that on your iPhone and Apple Watch? Let me show you how. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. It's that white icon with a red heart. Once you're in, tap on the Browse tab at the bottom. Then, scroll down and find Heart. Tap on it, and you'll see your heart rate history right there. But wait, there's more. If you have an Apple Watch, it gets even better. Just open the Health app on your iPhone, tap on Browse, and this time, find Heart Rate under Summary. Tap on it, and voila! You'll see your heart rate history in a neat little graph. Now, here's the cool part. You can even see your heart rate during specific activities. Just tap on Workouts in the Health app, and you'll find all your workouts listed there. Tap on any workout, and you'll see your heart rate data for that specific activity. So, there you have it. Tracking your heart rate history on your iPhone and Apple Watch is super easy. It's a great way to keep an eye on your health and make sure you're staying on track. Stay healthy, my friends.